In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online to create and track your invoices effectively. This is an essential skill for anyone managing their business finances through QuickBooks, and doing it correctly ensures that you stay organized and efficient in your accounting practices. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to begin by creating a new invoice. To do this, locate the New button on the top left of your screen. Clicking on this button brings up a menu from which you need to select Invoice. This will open up a new invoice template that's ready for you to fill out. This is where you'll input all the necessary details. Ensure you have all the important information handy, like your customer's name, the products or services provided, pricing, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Taking the time to input accurate details here is crucial for two main reasons. First, it helps keep your records straight. And second, it ensures your customer is properly invoiced, which is vital for customer relations and your cash flow. Now, once you've successfully filled in all the details of your invoice, let's move on to tracking your invoices. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section, which can be found on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. So go ahead and click on Sales. Within this section, there's a tab specifically designated for invoices. Click on the Invoices tab. This will take you to a page that provides an overview of all the invoices you've generated with your QuickBooks account. This list is incredibly valuable for keeping track of payments and identifying which invoices have been paid and which are still outstanding. You can sort and filter these invoices in various ways to suit your tracking needs, such as by customer, date, or payment status. Doing this regularly helps maintain a clear picture of your financial status and can highlight any potential issues that might need your attention, like overdue payments. And that's essentially it. You've now learned how to create and track your invoices in QuickBooks Online. By mastering these steps, you're not only able to handle the creation of accurate invoices, but also keep a close watch on them as they progress through the payment process. Regularly keeping on top of this aspect of your business finances helps ensure that everything runs smoothly, making your financial management simpler and more effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both clear and useful. Be sure to practice these steps yourself to become more comfortable and proficient with the process.